Alright, here we have the keys to a 2020 Kia Sedona. This looks like a new key style for Kia. So to start, you will press in this little button here to pop the key out. So you pop this out. This style I really like. It makes it very easy to get the casing open. So you'll take your key and you put it inside, actually inside this slot, and you'll twist, and then it pops the casing open. And you can use the key to pop the rest of it open. Once you get that, you can kind of pull it back with your hand here. And you want to set that to the side. This reveals your battery. So you can also use the key to pop the battery out. So you will take your key and kind of put it in this area, the corner, and just pop up with it. This is definitely a two-hand job, so give me 1 second. Alright, so once the battery is just popped up here, you can reveal that it's a 2032 battery. And then once you have your new battery, all you do is just slide it back in here, facing down. You got to get it underneath those two prongs, so the way I just did it there does not allow it to slide back in. So, oops, you got to put it just like that, pop it in, and then this. If you ever have issues too, these prongs here are what touches the battery, so you can always bend those back a little if that may resolve some other issue you have. So pop that back on. Press on the corners. And test it out. Alright, looks good. And then you'll slide your key back in. And there you have it. That's how you replace the key on a new Kia remote. This one's the Kia Sedona. Thank you for watching.